Hi, this is Janet Chopsy Baby, and today I'm introducing you to the Stunt Rider 360. It's a remote control car that flips off of walls, turns over, keeps on going and flashes. So this looks amazing in the dark. It's an absolute festival of fun. It's currently on sale in, what's that shop? That one where they fly the annoying things around your head when you go in. Hawkin's Bazaar, that's the one. They've reduced it from £25 to about £19.99. And we've had so much fun with this. It looks amazing in the dark. And what's really great about this one is it's really robust. So it puts up with all sorts of whacks and bangs, and the wheels stay on. Really fast, and we've managed not to break the remote control yet, which is a bargain. Again, if you have a child who's really into fast things, flashing lights, spinning, crashing, bumping, this is a real must. Disco car, what more could you want?